I'm Catherine Butler, and I coordinate the agroecology program here at Penn State. Students in agroecology love things to do with plants, anything to do with plants. They like to be out working with plants. They are interested in soils and environment, in crops, in horticulture, in just basically in the plant sciences. They like to grow things, and they like to be involved with agronomy and agriculture. It is really good for our students to have a good, strong biology background. That's sort of very important. It's good to have a chemistry background as well. And then any sort of environmental ecology type programs are great support for the sorts of courses that they will take when they get here. It's good if they've also been able to be involved in things like the Envirothon or 4-H programs, or programs where they've had a chance to kind of learn and do at the same time. Here, when they're in school here, they will be involved in various sorts of projects with classes where they will actually grow something in the greenhouse, or they may grow something actually out at one of our research farms, or they might be involved with some graduate student who is working on a project. We have all of our students do 2 internships. They do one at the 200 level, which would be basically a sophomore level, and that internship is sometimes it is an on-farm internship where they go home where they are from, and they know that they can work in a company or an industry or on a farm or do something at their home. Sometimes they also do that in a lab or with somebody here on campus. The 400 level internship, which is usually done in the summer between the junior and senior year, that one's a little bit more involved. And again, it can be an on-farm internship. We really do like to have them have one on-farm experience. But it can also be a research experience with a faculty member, graduate students, people doing actual research in the areas in which they're interested. We have a couple of really nice study abroad programs, some what we call embedded programs, where the students take the class during a semester, say the spring semester, and then over spring break, or sometimes right after the spring semester, they will go on a trip. We have one that goes to Brazil, sustainable agriculture in Brazil, and that's a very nice trip that a lot of our students do, and it's on spring break. We have one that goes to Jordan and looks at soils and sustainability in Jordan. That's a after spring semester trip. And in addition to that, the college has many other trips that fit right in with our program. There is a semester in Florence that would be very good for students in this major, and Costa Rica and Mexico and France, and just so many opportunities, and all of them would fit well into the curriculum of this major. Our students cover a wide range of interests and therefore in careers where they go with their degrees. Some of them want to go right out into a job, and some want to go to graduate school. So we do have those possibilities. But beyond that, our students, some of them say come from a farm and they wanted to learn more about farm management, and they've done that through this, learn all the latest technologies and so on, and then they go back and they work on a farm or they start their own farm. Some students are very interested in biotechnology, genetics on the molecular level, so they want to get more involved in research and in some of those areas. And in between, we have many, many things: sustainable agriculture, organic agriculture. These are places where our students go. They go to industry. They go into the seed industry, the chemical industries. Some want to learn about pesticides and the proper way to use pesticides and the innovations in that industry, how they can help farmers understand better how to grow their crops with an environmental sort of component to it, so that they are environmentally friendly with what they are doing. So we are definitely trying to work agriculture and the environment together sustainably with this major, and doing everything from just being out there in the field, working on the farm, to being in the lab and developing new techniques and new ways of incorporating all the things. Agroecology includes crops and soils, which is agronomy, includes plant pathology and entomology too. So some of our people are interested in ways that they can manage pests without chemicals. So integrated pest management is a big part of ours. And this is a wide open field now because they're learning new things every day. And our students are just at the cutting edge of this. They're just right in there where they're able to jump right in and be very, very successful and useful in their careers.